Forex can actually destroy your life. Yes. And this is not me being pessimistic or I'm discouraging you, but bro, I'm being realistic. Like I'm telling you the whole reality of Forex right now. And it is not sure that you will make it in Forex. Don't think that because some people you are seeing riches online, people are and you anyways, if you're a trader already, you would know Forex can actually ruin you. Like it will not make you progress in life anymore. And why am I saying this? Yeah, you see, there are some things that are already set for Forex like for a beginner in Forex that you have to possess those features, those qualities in order to succeed in the long run in Forex, not even immediately. So if you don't know these things, you just think, oh, I also have a chance, I also have a chance. You don't. And it's better you know those things now so you know that, oh, do I have a chance? Should I continue this thing or I'm just wasting my time? Because you could be wasting your time. You could be doing this and still losing money and still losing the money that you're supposed. Okay, let me not talk too much. Let me give you the perfect example, which is myself, my life, right? You see, I was living in a very good apartment of two-bedroom apartment, right? And I was paying 800,000 or so per month, per year rather. And I was doing fine. Yeah, I even had a bike, a power bike. I was living fine. I was eating. I was living a normal life. But I'm not about that average life. I want more. Like I don't want to be living like that normal person. I want to drive a Lambo. I want to live large. And then I start researching about what can I do. And me, I love being able to make money anywhere. Like if I go anywhere, I should be able to make money. Even if I'm outside the country, even if I'm across the world, I should be doing something. And it's only online that you can do that. Make money online or have a business that runs without you being there. Do you get? So I started researching and I found Forex. By the time I found Forex, yeah, I told you I was living fine. And then I had some savings. I had a savings that I've been saving since my 200 level days. Since I've started making small money, I was like, okay, let me start saving up. And the money is around 5 million naira at that time, which is equivalent to $5,000 at that same time. Because naira was even around 900, 1,000 at that time. So, and I started trading Forex by October 2023. Yeah. October, yeah, October 20. I cannot forget that the 10/10/2023. And then I started trading Forex, I started making researches, watching YouTube, doing this and that. And I funded the account. I started with $1,000. And lo and behold, no, I started with $50. Yeah, I was just like, okay, let me test the waters. I funded XNest then, and then I traded gold and I lost around $37. And I was like, what? So I removed the money and blah blah blah. Anyways, it has been roller coaster since then. So what I want to say is that I was living fine, right? And I was doing fine, and I had savings that I want to use for my trip or for. I wanted to go to I want to go and do my masters abroad that time. So I was like, okay, there is this money. I will find more money and join to this money and then go and all of that. What did I find Forex for? Around, let's say after 3 months, after trading, I was trading for like 3 months and I already funded $1,000 and I already lost. And then I kept going because normally I can never be so broke that I will not now be able to pay my rent or not be able to eat food. I have enough savings, you get. But lo and behold, I lost my first $1,000. I funded more. I now started funded to $200. Lo and behold, bro, I did not know when I blew the whole $5,000. I would kind of put the screenshots here. I blew the whole $5,000. And then in the long run, after like a very long time, I got to know that no, yeah, I'm not supposed to go through that route and all of that. Then later, I used the money because I had a business that I was doing that was fetching me some nairas and stuff. So I now use the money that I was seeing in that thing, I was putting it there. I was serving like this youth service now, NYSC, and I was collecting 30 something thousand. I would join the 37,000, 30,000, 33,000. I would join it with the money that I made from my normal business, and I'll put everything in Forex and I'm losing it and I'm losing it and I kept losing it, bro. It was not funny, bro. And at that moment, I was just like, no, I can make it, I can make it, I can make it. Like, is this not? I saw, God knows how many people has seen RBFX Lambo, RBFX Rolls Royce, and that thing made them start trading, and then they lost a lot of money. Only God knows how many people that just that car, how many people that's convinced to trade forex. Now, what I'm saying is, as I am currently like this, I'm in my father's house. I will show you around. I'm in my father's house. I mean, my father's house, because I could not pay rent. I used the rent money to trade forex. I could not feed myself because I used the food money that I'm supposed to be making. I used it in forex. I did not focus on that business very well, so I lost customers because I was like, forex will pay me, so I was going so hard. You don't understand. So now I'm in current, even though I have a house in Lagos, and I'm still, looking for ways to balance coming here and going there. Even though I don't like going there because I'll be eating my food and spending my own money. But yes, whenever I have issues here, I can run there. That's the only reason why that place is. But the main thing is I'm living in my father's house currently. Why? Because I started for it and I lost a whole lot of money for it. And it could continue like this. I could be saying, oh, I'll make it back, and I will never, like, it will never happen. I don't pray that though. Like, I don't pray that, but I could be going like this and I will never be profitable for it. And then my whole life will be ruined, and then I will start living like a pauper, and I will be saying forex, but it will be ruining me. Even though I'm getting the hang of it now and I'm understanding it better, I'm not profitable yet, but I'm doing so much better. I mean, I'm so much better when it comes to my strategy, my analysis, my patience, my risk management. The only thing I'm having issue with right now is discipline, because I still take those impulsive trades when I see, oh, it's moving, to go up, I will take the trade. And I'll be like, this is not my plan. This is not what I'm not supposed to take this trade. Do you get? So I'm still struggling with that, but bro, it has been a roller coaster since then. And I'm telling you, it's not because I'm being pessimistic. I'm just being realistic with you. Forex can ruin your life. You might not make it in forex. Excuse me. So do not think that, oh, because you see people making it, you might not. So calculate it now. Now, in my next video, I'll be talking about the criteria, the things you need to have. I've said it before in some of my videos. Go and watch them. But in the next video, I will specifically be saying the things you need to have, like the stage you need to be in order to trade forex. You don't understand? It's not for everybody. You get? There are some things that you have to have before you start trading forex. So the things that you need to have, the stage that you need to be, the mental stage, the physical stage, the financial stage, everything that you need to be in order to trade forex. I'm talking about that in my next video. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe and like and comment. Please support this boy, because you know why I'm doing this video? It's because I said, okay, like YouTube generally said, because I said, what if forex don't work? Exactly, like, what if forex don't work? How will I survive? Let me go and take my content seriously. That's why I'm doing this YouTube video. So please subscribe and like, so that I'll be able to feed myself and give a good life at the end of the day if forex don't work. But forex will work, because I'm making progress. But anyways, ciao. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.